Regular verbs follow a consistent pattern when conjugated into different tenses. Their conjugations typically involve adding ed to the base form of the verb to indicate past tense. The simple beauty of regular verb conjugation. Regular verbs follow a straightforward pattern when transformed into different tenses. Here's how it works. Base form. Present. This is the simplest form of the verb. For example, talk, walk, play. Past tense. To form the past tense, add ed to the base form. For example, talked, walked, played. Past participle. The past participle is used in past perfect tenses and passive voice. It is also formed by adding ed to the base form. For example, had talked, was walked, have played. Progressive tenses. Regular verbs can also be used in progressive, continuous tenses by adding the appropriate form of the verb to be before the base form, as in is talking, was walking, will be playing. The reliability of regular verbs. Regular verbs are like the steady rhythm in a song, providing predictability and structure to our language. Their consistent conjugation rules make them easy to learn and use correctly. This predictability is particularly helpful for language learners and those looking to build a strong foundation in English.